What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torrent, and today we're going to be talking about how to diversify your crypto portfolio. So in this video today we're going to talk about what actually is crypto diversification, how to even start to diversify your portfolio, the 5 different ways I myself will diversify my portfolio, and I'll give you a hint. 2 of them are by the industry and by time. And the last thing we're going to go over is why you should do this. Now, if you're new to this channel, I will be doing a ton of videos on crypto. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and let's just dive right into my computer. As always, guys, these slide decks are available through my Discord, so make sure to check that out. But the first slide that I have here is, what is crypto portfolio diversification? Well, it's the act of putting your money into different crypto projects to mitigate risk if one or more of the projects perform poorly. Now, executing a good diversification strategy also helps you realize the best returns possible, even when some of your portfolio items are on a bad run. So all the savvy investors know that it's risky to put all of your eggs in one basket, and I do have a brief example here, the infamous 2018 price crash of several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, best explains why it's not a good idea. If you're a small scale investor, you might want to be better off investing in 2 or 3 crypto coins. But if you're trying to create a sizable portfolio, 2 or 3 coins are not going to cut it. So how do you get started in diversifying? Now, a lot of people say, well, almost all of these altcoins are related to Bitcoin. Now, while part of this is true, there are still many ways to diversify. So you just have to look at your crypto portfolio from a different perspective. So let's get into the 5 different ways that I would diversify my portfolio. So the first one, it's quite obvious. It's going to be the type of cryptocurrency. So this is a common strategy due to its basic approach. So the idea here is to choose different types of well-performing cryptos and invest in them. So different crypto projects have varying basis and technology powering them. So this gives you the option to pick those in line with your investment goals. So some of the options you have are privacy coins, altcoins, and tokens. So this one's very simple. You're probably already doing this. So let's get into the second one. So industry diversification. So this approach here is to ensure you have crypto coins that fall into different industries. So this way, if one industry takes a hit, the rest of your portfolio can soak in most of the impact. So investing in crypto projects in industries like finance, supply chain, and even medicine. So note that you can also diversify further by using a specific criterion when choosing the cryptos you want to invest in. For instance, you can mix new projects with well-established, or alternatively direct your funds into one category. So let's dive into the third way to do so. This one is quite interesting. This one is called time diversification. So although it may sound new, time diversification has actually been around for a while. It's proven and reliable when executed properly. So although it may sound new, time diversification has actually been around for a while. It is proven and reliable when executed properly. So with this strategy, you have to time the market and get your crypto assets at the right moment. So rather than buying your portfolio all at once, instead you buy parts of it in intervals. So you can decide to buy 10% of your portfolio every month. So in this case, it'll take you 10 months to assemble a complete crypto portfolio. So by doing this, this helps you avoid bad timing by taking away responsibility of poor timing decisions out of your hands. So however, it's grueling as timing in the crypto market is difficult, especially if you're a newbie, and it can be hard to identify the right moment to act. To get the most out of this strategy, I would suggest looking into price alerts. All right, so the fourth one I have is the geographical diversification. So another strategy is choosing to invest in projects from different parts of the world. So depending on your preference and risk tolerance, you can choose to mix between America, European, or even Asian blockchain projects. So recently, there's been a shift to Asian products as they are perceived as a good investment. In addition, they have a loyal following that boosts their chances of being successful. And the last one I have for you is actually the crypto uses. Now, many new investors make the mistake of comparing crypto coins directly. Now, it's not only wrong to compare them this way, but it's also misleading. Crypto coins differ in terms of uses. So for instance, Bitcoin was designed to be a virtual currency, whereas Ripple was created to facilitate payment transfers in financial institutions like banks. Ethereum, on the other hand, powers DeFi protocols and is key in smart contract technology. So here's a breakdown of common cryptos and their uses. So with that being said, let's dive into why you should diversify your portfolio. So it's a volatile world out there. Diversification is a good shield against the unexpected negative market swings and price jumps. It can also help boost the chances of your crypto investment panning out well. You can't count on a single crypto like Bitcoin to give you good returns. And last, it allows you to make the most out of different coins that are performing well simultaneously. All right, guys, so I hope you gained a ton of value from this crypto portfolio diversification video. What a mouthful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And until next time, guys, take care.